In this video, you'll learn how to run and filter standard reports in Power BI. After watching this video, you should be able to display the list of available reports, sort and search that list, run a standard report, and apply filters and slicers. To get started, from the Analytics tab in the left navigation, click Reports, and then Reports Visualizations. A list of available reports displays. To sort by any column, click the column header. For example, click the title header to sort by that column. You can also search the list of reports. For example, type daily in the search box. To run a report, click the report title. You can click the Hide Sidebar button in the upper left corner to hide the left navigation and use more of the screen to display the report. Each report displays the last data refresh date in the upper right corner. Each standard report has one or more default filters applied. To display or adjust the filters, click Filters on the right side of the screen. For example, click Event Date Time. This report has a default relative date of the last 6 months. Make any desired changes, then click Apply Filter. To display the list of available reports again, click All Reports in the upper left corner. Next, we'll look at the Circulation Events Detail report. Use the scroll bars at the bottom and the right to display the rest of the report. Click Filters to view or adjust filters. For example, click to expand Event Borrower category. Select the desired categories. The report is now filtered to the event borrower categories that I selected. Many reports have slicers in addition to filters. They provide essentially the same function. Slicers are an easy way to apply commonly used filters. I'll click the drop-down arrow for event type and select Checkout. The report is now filtered to the event type that I selected. You can click the Clear Selections button to display all event types again. Next, we'll look at the Monthly Circulation Statistics report. In addition to filters and slicers, this report has an additional feature. You can click buttons such as Year and Month, Material Format, Borrower Category, and Shelving Location to display different views of the data. Look for other videos about exporting reports and using bookmarks. And if you have questions about running standard reports in Power BI, please visit help.oclc.org for documentation, training, and instructions for contacting OCLC support.